The ANCHER Electric Bike for adults has quickly positioned itself as a standout option in the ever-expanding e-bike market. With its robust 750W peak power, impressive 3-hour fast charge capability, and a range of user-friendly features, it's evident that this bike is aimed at both casual riders and commuting enthusiasts alike. After spending an extensive period riding the ANCHER Ebike, I'm excited to share my comprehensive review of this product. One of the first aspects that caught my attention was the design and build quality of the bike. The ANCHER Ebike features a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that offers durability without adding an excessive amount of weight. Weighing in at around 65 pounds, the bike strikes a fine balance between being lightweight enough for easy handling while maintaining structural integrity. The sleek design is aesthetically pleasing, coming in various color options that allow riders to choose one that fits their personal style. The 750W peak motor provides ample power for a range of activities, whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride on the weekend. The bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is impressive for an electric bike in this price range. The throttle response is consistent and immediate, allowing for smooth acceleration without any jerky movements. Whether climbing steep hills or tackling rough terrain, the ANCHER Ebike performs admirably, making it a versatile option for different riding conditions. One of the standout features is the 48V12A lithium-ion battery that allows for a commendable range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on various factors like rider weight, terrain, and mode of riding. The fast charge capability is a game-changer, with the ability to fully recharge the battery in just 3 hours. This means less downtime between rides, making it a practical choice for those who have busy schedules. Additionally, the battery is removable, making it easy to take indoors for charging or for added security when you park your bike outside. The ANCHER Ebike comes equipped with a Shimano 7-speed transmission system, which offers smooth gear transitions and allows riders to adjust their speed according to the terrain. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling more challenging inclines, the gear system enhances the riding experience significantly. The bike also comes with a dual-disc brake system, providing reliable stopping power, which is critical for safety, especially at higher speeds. Comfort is another essential aspect where this bike doesn't disappoint. The adjustable seat is well cushioned and ergonomic, ensuring a comfortable riding position even during long rides. The handlebars are also adjustable, allowing riders of various heights to find their optimal riding posture. The inclusion of a front suspension fork further enhances comfort by absorbing shocks from uneven surfaces, making it suitable for both urban environments and light off-road adventures. For those concerned about visibility and safety, the ANCHER Ebike features integrated LED lights, providing ample illumination during nighttime rides. The reflectors on the bike also add a layer of safety, ensuring that other vehicles can see you, especially in low-light conditions. One potential downside is the assembly process. While the bike comes mostly pre-assembled, some components may require additional setup. However, the included instructions are relatively straightforward, and with a little patience, most riders should be able to put it together without professional help. In terms of technology, ANCHER has integrated a smart LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This feature is particularly handy for tracking your rides and knowing when it's time to charge the battery. Customer service is another area where ANCHER excels. With a 1-year warranty on the motor and battery, the company stands behind its product. Additionally, their customer support is responsive and willing to assist with any inquiries or issues that may arise. In conclusion, the ANCHER Electric Bike for adults is a well-rounded option that excels in performance, comfort, and practicality. With its powerful motor, impressive battery life, and thoughtful design, it caters